Day. Nakamas. Ayun.
Nasaan?
Ikaw, tayo.
Ay!
Nakamas kami. Ayan. Pero, sabi ng presidente ng Espanya, pwede na daw magtanggal ng mask. Pero ngayon, nandito kami sa Plaza del Sol. Ang mga tao, nakamas pa rin. Takot din sila. May ilan-ilan na walang mask. Ayan. 3. Ayan, 3 wala. Ayun, 4. Mabibilang mo yung mga malalakas ang loob. The Caixa Forum Square, with its impressive architectonical design, boasts a pond and a green, fresh, extraordinary wall forming a vertical garden which takes up the entire wall of a side building. Caixa Forum Madrid is a museum and cultural center in Paseo del Prado 36, Madrid. It was designed by the Swiss architects Herzog and de Meuron and built by Ferrovial between 2001 and 2007. Ayan na. Habulin kita! Atocha is the main train station in Madrid. It has a metro line, it has all the cercanías or city trains, and it has national trains that go to all parts of Spain. Open space. Did you know that there was a pond with turtles here? Or here, turtles. From 1992, when the pond in the garden at the Puerta de Atocha station was created, many people started to abandon exotic invasive turtles and fish species here. This was an illegal practice and hid a serious environmental problem. Thanks to agreements between ADIF and Town Council of Navas del Rey, and with the help of other animal protection institutions, wildlife groups, in May 2018, the more than 300 turtles and fish from the pond were transported to an artificial lagoon in the Jose Peña Wildlife Center, located in said town in Madrid. You can visit them. A restored area for cultural, social, and environmental activities. Sinanggal na yung mga turtles dito. Yan. Wala na. Tinanggal na, nilagay na sa wildlife. Kasi yun daw ay illegal daw. Kasi nilagay dito sa loob. Yan, maraming ano, ito yung nauso sa Philippines. Yan. Yung puno na yan na 1,000 billion sabi. Yun naman. Parang nagsaging. Kaya lang close. Close siyang andon. Sa likod. Ay! Ay, sarado. Sarado. Ayun ang ganda. Ayan ang loob mo. Estación de Atocha is the largest railway station in Madrid. It's also one of the largest in Spain as a whole, and it serves as a major center of transportation in Spain. The station was opened in 1851. It has been through a lot of significant events, good as well as bad. On the positive side is one of the major design works in Arguable, one of the best-looking train stations in Europe. On the negative side, it was destroyed by a fire in the end of the 19th century and had to be rebuilt. However, the worst thing of all was when Atocha was the victim of a large terrorist attack in 2004. Coordinated bombings took place in several trains as they reached Atocha, leaving 191 people dead and almost 2,000 wounded. There has since been made many memorials to the victims of this attack, which is the largest terrorist attack in the West since 9/11. Despite all, Atocha is very well functioning to this day. It continues to grow and continues to be of importance to all kinds of travel. On a yearly basis, Atocha gets more than 100 million visitors each year, making it one of the most trafficked stations in Europe. When you arrive at Atocha, you have many different travel options. Taking the trains is by far the most popular, and there are several places you can reach in Spain as well as abroad. Atocha is also headquarters of Renfe, the Spanish national train company. They have their super fast AVE trains as well as regular trains. Tara, breakfast muna tayo sa 11 a.m. Ayan lang. Breakfast muna tayo. Ito ang bukad Brillante. Macadamia Brillante. Ayan. Sarap na yun, guys. With, ano yung calamar? Oh.
Aba, sabay wala pa ano.
Kapit ako. Kain tayo. Kain ng... Ano talaga?